Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Jessie. AI is evolving rapidly in 2024. Universities are becoming more stringent in monitoring AI usage and testing. Students using AI to complete coursework may be judged as academic fraud due to high AI rates. I spent $100 in Dive to test AI detection tools and the most commonly used AI writing tools. Let's see what I found. This will save your money. First, we need to review AI detection. Here is a paper abstract that I copied from the doctoral dissertation at Stanford University in 2005. The text is definitely not AI generated as it was created in 2005. It was a long time before ChatGPT. The most commonly used AI detection tools are Turnitin and GPT-0. We put the abstract to Turnitin GP0. Turnitin results show that this abstract has 100% AI rate, and GPT-0 thinks this abstract contains 100% AI rate. We know that this abstract was 100% written by a human, so the results are incorrect. For a fair comparison, we asked GPT-4o to generate a paper abstract. Theoretically, the abstract should have a 100% AI detection rate. Paste this abstract into Turnitin and GPT-0 to evaluate the exact AI rate. It turns out that Turnitin and GPT-0 aren't 100% certain that the text was generated by AI. This indicates that the current AI detection cannot accurately detect AI content. After understanding the AI detection mechanism, let's move on to see whether AI tools can fool Turnitin and GPT-0. The first is Phrasely, a website for rephrasing your articles. We paste the AI-generated abstract from the previous step, then click Rephrase. And the rephrased abstract is available on the right. Next, we paste the rewritten AI abstract into Turnitin and GPT-0. It can be seen that the AI rates are 58 and 100, respectively. The results are not consistent with what we thought. Rewriting is useful in reducing the AI rate, but it does not eliminate it to 0%. The second tool is EasyEssay, which is a writing tool that offers one-click AI rate reduction. We've pasted the AI-generated abstract into EasyEssay and chose to remove the AI traces to get a new abstract. After that, the results are pasted into Turnitin and GPT-0 for testing. As shown in the panel, AI rates for the content are 0 and 4 respectively. Amazing! The AI rate for this abstract was reduced to 0. This phenomenon suggests that AI-generated content is actually detectable by Turnitin and GPT-0. EasyEssay really nailed it. Well done, EasyEssay! The third tool is HixPass, an AI writing tool that generates 100% undetectable content. Like before, let's paste the AI abstract to HixPass, then click Humanize, and we can get a paragraph with 100% undetectable content. After that, we copy the content to Turnitin and GPT-0. And you can see that the AI rates are 42 and 4 respectively. That's it for this video. If you enjoy the video, please consider giving a like or subscribing to the channel. See you next time.